It's the Handiemon. You got projects big or small, you give us a call. We do them all. So what we've got going on today is a client wants to remove this gas stove because she has to put in new carpet. So we've got to disconnect this gas stove and get it off this carpet. So first things first, we got to disconnect this pipe. And you know what? I was having too much trouble with this pipe trying to get it disconnected. Worked on it, wouldn't go. So I just said, finally, screw it. Let's go ahead and just remove it all as one full piece there. Go ahead and got it disconnected, and we're going to go ahead and put some t-shirts in there to keep out the draft. Inspecting the gas line here, make sure we don't have any leaks, anything along those lines. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the main supply line here. We want to do that by putting a backing wrench on. Go ahead and disconnect the main supply line to the stove. Thread that off. Inspect the valve, make sure we're good. Go ahead and disconnect that. And you want to use a backing wrench so it doesn't disconnect from the gas line itself. Go ahead and put some pipe dope on the plug. I'm going to go ahead and thread that plug in. And go ahead and give it a couple turns. Then you want to put a backing wrench on so it doesn't over tighten. Check it with the soapy solution. Make sure we don't have any leaks. Check the valve operation. Make sure we're good there. Have pressure on. We want to put a bright light up there looking for any bubbles. If we've got bubbles, then we've got a leak. Stove is all disconnected. It's ready to be moved off the floor. Hey, thanks a lot for checking us out, guys. Be sure and like and subscribe.